Welcome to AppScript. In last video, we have learned about color formatting normally, and this video we've learned about conditional formatting, how you can use it. So first, let me reset this. So this was our last code. So in this video, we will learn about conditional formatting. To this, first we take a function. The name is color formatting. We name it CF, and first we take a variable sheet. Define a spreadsheet app. Get active spreadsheet. Get active sheet. Now we'll define data. So data would be sheet dot get range. So the range would be, let's say we are taking this range, so C2 to C7. C7, take C7, get values. Now we use for loop for this, for I. So we have learned about for loop in this video. We again do it. So we take length now we use if function. If data is equal to this, actually okay, let's delete this and we'll take this for B to B7 for cancelled. Then we'll take B sheet dot get range. The range would be B2. Oh sorry, this would be I plus 2 because it's for it starts from second row, so it's taking I is equal to 0, so we have to take plus 2. Then we want it for second column, so we'll take this dot set background to put this red. It's not like that, you have to put 3 times is equal. See, it's working. And I also want to, okay, so we're going to do it for this cell. We'll also use for this, let's say we want to use um, so we use else statement. Made it blue. So it's hard to read this. So we can do one more thing. After this, we can also set font color to white. If I do this, see, this is how you can use conditional formatting. So I want to use it for numbers right now. Okay, so for this we'll take this as B2C7. If it's less than 100, then it will be red, green. Oh, you have to change it here also because it's for third column. So you have to third column. See, more than 100, then it put it in green. So this is how you can set up and use conditional formatting. Thanks for watching this video. I hope this will help you. So stay connected.